could just be the perfect card trick, and let me show you why. You explain to your spectator that you're just going to place some cards down onto the table, creating 4 evenish piles, just like this. And you say, look, we're going to shuffle each of these piles. I'll start. You just want to take them and give them a shuffle just like this. And you can do it as many times as you want. As a matter of fact, I'll let you shuffle the next one. So the spectator shuffles this pile here, and they do that. And then you say, look, shuffle the next one. And they give these a shuffle as well. And you say, look, I'll do the last one. And we give these a shuffle. And then all we have to do from here is say, look, we've given all of these packets a shuffle, but how is it possible that we've just shuffled 4 aces to the top? You can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's what we're going to do next. Check this out. We're just going to take some random cards and place them here, here. And we'll take some of these and we'll place them behind that ace. And we'll place those over here. I'm going to hold on to these, shuffle them, just to show you what I want you to do. Place those aside. You say, look, I'll place that on top there. Take the next pile. So the spectator takes these. They shuffle them. And you say, look, take as many as you want and just place them on your left-hand side pile. And place the rest back and put an ace on top. So do the same. Give these a shuffle. So they will shuffle them and they can take as many as they want. Place it onto the left-hand side pile. And then they mark that with an ace. And they do it with the last pile as well. They take as many as they want. Place it here. And then place the ace on top. And then the cards you've been using to demonstrate, you just chuck them on top right there. And then you stack them all up and you say, how is it possible that after all these shuffles that we've shuffled the aces to the bottom? Oh wait, no, those are jacks. Apologies. No, what I meant is that we will shuffle the jacks to the bottom. That's a bit awkward. But here's what you actually tell them. You say, these are indicator jacks. And in a regular game, jack represents 11. And that tells us that all of the aces are at 11th position. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Place the next card on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next card on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next one on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The next one goes on top just like that. We square these all up and you say, look, you see, these were indicator cards. So the jack of diamonds has found the ace of diamonds. The jack of spades has found the ace of spades. The jack of hearts has found the ace of hearts. The jack of clubs has found the ace of clubs. But this is the perfect card trick because now all of the diamonds are in perfect suits. All of the spades have found each other. So have the hearts. And we can't leave out those clubs. And that's the perfect card trick. So let me show you how it's done.
Well, what's cracking, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, I am back. Yes, I've been a little bit busy. So sorry it's been a few months since I've uploaded a card trick tutorial. But the one you're going to learn today is an absolute banger. It's so good. It fooled me when I first saw it. And maybe it fooled you too. I don't know. But I thought, hey, look, it's been a few months. So I will share with you one of the most, I guess, spectacular endings to one of your card routines that you can perform. I'm going to share all the secrets with you. So if you're ready to learn the trick, sorry, it's been a while, I'm a bit rusty. Grab your cards. Please do me a massive favor. It does help me a lot if you just like the video and share it so somebody else can learn as well, or you can just keep it to yourself. But let's get right into the tutorial right now.
Okay, so here is the tutorial on how this trick works. So essentially, this is your setup. Now, yes, it does have a setup, but all of those complaining about setup card tricks, trust me, if you do this and just walk into a trick saying, hey, let me just show you something, you're not going to have an issue. Trust me. So you're going to have 2 aces on the top, followed by all of the clubs. Now they can be shuffled, it doesn't matter. Hearts, spades, followed by 4 jacks in any random order, all of the diamonds, and then 2 aces on the bottom. So let me show you. So you've got 2 aces, followed by the clubs, followed by all of the hearts, followed by all of the spades, followed by 4 jacks in any order, followed by all of the diamonds, followed by the final 2 aces. that is your setup right there. So what you do from here is you're going to say, look, we're going to do a trick together. And firstly, I'm just going to create 4 piles. And what you do, you're not counting like this. What you really want to do is you just want to thumb quite a few cards off so that you don't have to keep spreading too much. Okay, otherwise it looks like you're trying to find a break somewhere. So you're just going to push off to the 4 jacks. So you're going to take the 2 aces, all of the diamonds, and all of the jacks. Now remember to hold it like this so the spectator can't see what you're doing, and just place those on your right hand side. Then you're going to spread and take all of the spades, place it to the left, all of the hearts, and then you're going to take the rest with the 2 aces and place them over there, and make sure they're nice and square as well. And then from here what you do is you say, look, we're going to shuffle these together. I'll go first. Now here's what you're going to do. Now you know you've got 2 aces on the top right there. So you say, look, you're just going to shuffle the cards like this, and you're shuffling the 2 aces to the bottom, and then you're going to keep going until you shuffle the 2 aces back to the top. Okay, and at speed it looks like this. And you just give them a quick little mix, and then all you've done is shuffled them back to it didn't work, sorry, they're at the bottom. And then you shuffle them back to the top like this. That was really bad. I could retake this, but I'm not going to. I'm human too. So remember, they're on the top, you shuffle them to the bottom like so, and then you do that exact same shuffle. Do one at a time or a few at first, and then make sure the last ones you're shuffling one at a time. And then you should get your 2 aces back to the top. And then you say, all right, you give this one a shuffle. So your spectator shuffles these 2 here. And so they'll give these a shuffle. Now, because they're all hearts, it doesn't matter what they do. So they give those a shuffle and say, look, do the same with that one, give those a shuffle. And they do think these are getting a mix, but we know they're not. It's not doing anything. So now what we've got is we've got the following. We've got 4 jacks on the top of this one, because we're going to shuffle this packet, and we've got 2 aces on the bottom. And so we just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can shuffle a few at a time so it looks like it's a mix until we get near the aces. We peel off one at a time, and then we should have 2 aces on the top and the jacks on the bottom. Now from this point here, it's a bit of a bluff move that we're doing. Okay, so we're going to do this. From the outside, we're going to take the 2 off the top. Then we're going to grab these and immediately pull to the side and place them there. Now it looks like we've just taken 4 aces from the top. So rewind that if you need to rewatch that again, and then you just show you've got all of the aces revealed like this. And now you're going to gather them up, and you're going to put them in clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, just like in the beginning. Okay? And from here, this pile on the right stays put, and you're going to take this one immediately, take all of the hearts, place the hearts behind the spades, and you take all of these and place them behind the hearts. It sounds confusing, but it will all make sense. You pick up this pile here, and then you're going to take all the spades and place them down, and you're going to do this, you're going to take all of the jacks and place them behind the club, and you hold on to the diamonds. Now you don't let them see what these are, and you say, look, I'm going to hold on to these and just show you what to do next. So you just hold on to those, put them aside for now. Now here's what you're doing next. You immediately put the ace of clubs on top of the jacks and say, look, you point to this pile and say, look, pick up this pile here, just give them a shuffle, and then all you're going to do is take as many of those as you want and just place them on this pile here and place them back, and then cover it up with an ace. Now it's not actually doing anything, because when you're placing them over here, you're marking it with one of the ace, so the ace of hearts. All the suits stay in order. So you say, look, we'll do it with this one. If you pick that up, give those a shuffle. Remember, these are all hearts. Give those a shuffle, take as many as you want and place it to the left-hand side, and then you mark that one with an ace. Now this looks so confusing, and at the end it looks absolutely impossible. So you take this one, so do the same, give those a shuffle, and remember, in the meantime, the pile that you've got in your hand, you're just using these to casually show them what to do. And so they just take some of these, as many as they want, place them there and mark it with an ace. Now the pile that's in your hand, casually just throw it on top of that one right there. And then you stack these all up, from right to left. And then this is what you say. You say, look, after all this shuffling and all this mixing up, and remember now you're spectator, you want to get them to go, oh, it doesn't matter if they're on this side or that side. Say, look, we've actually shuffled the aces to the bottom. Oh, wait, those are the jacks. So you're going to say, oh, we've got 4 jacks. Now remember, when you get to the last jack, quickly just turn that face down so they can't see that ace there. All right, and so you say, oh, sorry, we actually have all the jacks. Now you put the jacks on the table, clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, and chase sequence again. And then you just say, look, these are just indicator jacks, and in any ordinary card game, they represent 11. And so all you have to do now, so all of these cards are now positioned clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds with the the aces in exactly 12th position. So here's what you do. So you say, look, these represent 11. So we're just going to count 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You then just say, look, we'll place the next card on top. That's an ace. We do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That card goes on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That one goes on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that goes on top. Square all these up. Make sure they're all neat. And then you say, remember, those are indicator cards. Well, the jack of diamonds has found the ace of diamonds. The jack of spades has found the ace of spades, and so forth and so on. And then the big finale, this is why it's the perfect card trick, is because now all the suits have found themselves together, just like so. You gotta admit, that's a pretty cool trick. And then that's it. And then when they walk away or whatever, if you want to reset, all you have to do now is just gather up all of the suits except for the jack and the ace, like this. This is how quick it is to set up to do it again. And then you just take the clubs, hearts, spades. Then you want to go ahead and grab your 4 jacks, place those there. Diamonds are next. Place 2 aces on the bottom, 2 on the top, and you are ready to go with the perfect card trick all over again.
Thank you guys so much for tuning into the tutorial today. If you did enjoy it, please do me a massive favor and subscribe and like the video. And I will be back sooner than you think, I promise. Sorry it's been so long. All right, see you. Bye.